Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to the modeling series of Submarine. Yesterday, we are working on the head, the expression of the face, and now we will continue to the hair. Okay. So we will using this face for the final model. So we will tweak the hair a little bit. As you can see, it's the head is kind of a little bit tilted. So I think I will also want to see the what is it the the knot of the hair accessories, I guess. Okay, I think just in case I will pair this to objects. Oh, okay. Wait. I don't think I select all the objects. Okay. I mean the vertices. Well, I'm still trying to model the stories here. I'm not really sure what uh the name is in English. This one, the hair accessories. I think I will also Kota Kasahara said I love your style. Thank you. Thank you Kota Kasahara. I'm fixing the head a little bit to make it I don't know, to make the line a little bit more equal, I guess, the in size between this one and this one. Oh, hello ice cream. Welcome back to the stream. Kota Kasahara said you don't use ZBrush, only Blender for character modeling. Yes, I only use Blender. I don't. I only use. I try to only use open source software for all my works. I guess. I think just like this, I will make the head hair a little bit smaller. Anam said, morning from here. I love her face expression fitting the marine. Okay, thank you. Yeah, the original one is kind of has some kind of weird expression, I guess. So I changed it to the other to use other reference. Kota, Kota Kasahara said, "That's impressive. Thank you." I keep mess up your name. I'm sorry. Is it a Japanese name or something? Kota Kasahara. Yes, Japanese. Okay. Are you actually from Japan or it's just your nickname? Hmm. Right. Yeah, I think this is fine. Takasahara said 3D modeler in Japan. Oh, I see. Are you working on anime studio or game studio or something? Something else? I think I will duplicate this. Make another strand. Kota said freelance now, but ready to get into company. I see. What's are you? Oh, you said you're 3D modeler. I see. Are you using ZBrush or something? ZBrush. I mean ZBrush. Or are you only use Blender? I'll make the buns, the hair buns a little bit larger, I guess. Kota said Maya ZBrush mainly, but Blender seems nice. Also, you aren't familiar with Blender yet. I think it's getting more popular in Japan, right? The Evangelion Studio is, I think the Evangelion Studios, the one that create Evangelion, is using Blender for the movie, I guess, or something. Anom said, "Yay, ZBrush and Maya gang." Yeah. Kota said Blender is getting more popular now, even in Japan. Yeah. Uh, I think Blender is getting more and more recognition all over the world. So maybe you can also try Blender for some of your workflow, I guess. Kota said, "I know I should use Blender." Yeah, you can mix it up with your current uh, workflow. You don't have to exclusively use Blender, like mine, I guess, because I don't know. I think I only use Blender since because I learned Blender uh, from the very first time I learned 3D, I guess. So uh, I just getting used to the software and everything. The Yeah. What software do you use for texturing Substance Painter? I'm using my own add-on to do the texturing. Uh, the link is in the description, so it's also open source. It's Blender add-on. You can also see the previous part to see how I did the what is it the texture, the current texture using add-on called YouTube Paint. You can see the previous part of this series in the Discord server. Link in the description. Hopefully doesn't look that weird. Let's just see without the head. Okay, it will. The hair it will always take a while to do. So I hope the stream would be. I think it will be. It will be. I don't know, repetitive. I guess like usual. So because my main workflow is using standard poly modeling, so I don't start from sculpting, at least for now, because uh, I don't know. I think I used to. I'm already getting used to standard poly modeling, but Hopefully, I can try the standard sculpting workflow in the future. Yeah. This one is actually has too much grease, I guess. I know ZBrush. No, I will still be using Blender. I will stick to the my open source workflow. Okay. Are you from Pakistan? Piercing Light A. No, I'm from Indonesia. Yeah, my name is probably looks like I'm from Middle East or something. Piercing set. Yeah, piercing set. LOL. Yeah, yeah. Can just say yeah. Uh, piercing set sounds like my friend. Yeah, I'm your friend. Probably. If we know each other long enough, probably we can be friends, I guess. I think I will make the crease a little bit lighter. Piercing set and my teacher maybe. Yeah, I'm. Uh yeah, probably. I don't know. Uh, if this stream count as teaching, yeah, probably, maybe. Anom said yes, sensation good. Uh, Sensei is the Japanese word for teacher, right? So in Indonesian, it's actually called guru. Teacher is guru in Indonesian. So if you know some Indonesian that teach Blender, you should call them Blender guru. Okay? It's guru. I'm just kidding. Uh, Blender guru is already taken by Andre Price, I guess. You should probably already familiar with the Andre Price, right? It's the OG Blender guru. Even though he's from Australian, I guess. I think that's really close. to Indonesian, so he can call him Guru, I guess. Kota said Bali Island is a great place. I've been there before. Yeah, it's a most popular place, I guess, for tourists in Indonesia. I haven't been there though. It looks good on the video, but I haven't been there. I live in the different island. Okay, hopefully this doesn't look that weird. I will also make the what is it the strands a little bit to the side. Mm. Mm, I think I will open up the original page for this. Where is it? I think this strand should be a little bit smaller. Uh, if it has the same size, it doesn't look that good, I guess. So yeah, Probably something like this. Okay. I think the flow is a little bit different with the original fish, I guess. So the hair is a little bit what is it? Has more flow to the bottom, I guess, rather than to the side, as you can see. So uh, maybe I will try a little bit of improve, I guess. Okay. I will compare it to the original. Mm. I think I will mix the hair a little bit. It doesn't have to exactly like one of or the other. So yeah, I need to put this strands a little bit down. Uh, it's more visible either here or here. Mm. Okay. I think the little bit too far to the right or left. I will pull this back. Yeah, probably something like this. Anam said, how long have been doing 3D for, by the way? Hmm. Uh, I think I learned the Blender the first time, probably what 14 years ago or something. But I think I really got into the nitty gritty. I guess probably 8 to 10 years ago. So before that, it's just some kind of hobby, I guess. Uh, I try to do professionally since probably 2012. So yeah, probably 10 years. Uh, it's uh, I learn. Uh, I think it doesn't that really that matter. I guess. If you have a long experience or not, because uh, for example, I saw some people that improve a lot in just 1 to 2 years. I guess so. For example, if you ever heard of Yudhitya Avandi, I think he started. I'm not really sure, but I only saw his work uh, the first time in 2017 or something. So he's really professional now, but I think I'm not really sure though when he started learning Blender, but he's a figure modeler now professionally, and his professional experience is only about 5 years or something, and he's doing that alongside studying in college, so it's not full time. Yeah. If you really want to, yeah, some people are a fast learner, I guess. Yeah. Maybe I'm kind of in between, I guess. I'm not that fast and nor that slow, just in the middle. So my first Blender is I think 2.4, 2.45. Yeah. Do you know how to code as well, which a lot of artists like on said Anom? Actually, there are. If you ever heard of Pablo de Barro, he's actually a really good artist and also a really good coder. So yeah. Uh, Interestingly, in the Blender, there are plenty people like Pablo de Barro, I guess. In If you ever using Rigify, which is the one that I use for this model, uh, it's actually also created by an artist. There are plenty of add-on that created by artists. So I'm not that special, I guess. I'm still not that sure about the shape of this part. Hmm. I think I will move it here a little bit. Anam said, then again, you do make a point. So a lot of people know how to code in Maya during one of my work days. Oh, I see. Where are you working on? On Animation Studio? Because I think most of professional animation studio is still using Maya because it has more robust animation system, I guess. At least that's why I heard. That's what I've heard. Okay, hopefully. Used to work for EA a long time ago. Anam said used to work for EA a long time ago. Saw a lot of coworkers that are 3D character artists, but they know how to code as well. Yeah, there are plenty people, I guess. I think they usually work as a technical artist, I guess, in each studios most of the time. So I actually can know personally. I think probably not personally. Yeah, actually personally know some artists that also could in game studio and animation studio. So, where are you working on now? After working on EA, is it fun working on EA? I think I will merge this. Anom said no, lol. My task at EA very boring. Was very boring. What are you a game tester or something? Working on game studio sounds like a fun, right? At least uh, that's what people usually think of. Couldn't really call myself a character artist during that time, said Anom. What are you working on then? Game tester or prop modeler or something? I think you already tell me, right? What are you working on? Probably. Are you a freelancer now or something? I know. I'm sorry, I forgot. I think you already tell me what uh where are you working now, but I'm sorry, I kind of forgot. Uh, Anam said I work on the FIFA team, just switching the texture of the jeans, shirt, shoes, actual modeling of texturing. Also, the repetitive one, I guess. I think you're a figure modeler, right? Now? Yeah, when I told you was the latest job was the figure making job, said Anam. But they had to lay me off due to economy. Uh, yeah, I think yeah, I kind of remember. Is it when when they cut you off? Is it recently or few years back or something? It was like 2 months ago. So now I'm just chilling. Oh, I see. Uh, I think you can try to open commission or something if you really need uh money or something. I think your work is already super good. Mhm. I think most people uh will be like to work with you, I guess. Piercing head. I am tired of fixing up map. Oh, I see. Yeah, maybe try doing something else, I guess, if you're stuck in one kind of task to make it less boring. Yeah, the economy is kind of have a recession now, so there is a lot of layoff everywhere. Anum said thank you. I did recently get an offer from game company, so I will probably have to do art test soon first. Can you tell which game company is that? I think you can also try to apply if you want to what is the oh MiHoYo or something? I think it's your style is very suitable for them, I guess. Because I think few years back, uh, they looking for some modeler. I don't know about now though. Probably still is because Big companies always looking for a job usually. Archie-Ag, Anom said Archie-Ag VR. If I remember correctly, they make VR games, so I guess I will see how that goes. Yeah, I think uh, I don't know. I never heard of Archie-Ag again. If you want to still look working on anime character, I guess you can probably try, yeah, MiHoYo or something. Or is it MiHoYo looking for? My internet is really slow here. I'm sorry. I think, yeah. From my experience, I guess. I I get maybe because my style is anime is I get offer from MiHoYo and I don't know NetEase, I guess, game studio. So I think, yeah, probably you are also suitable for them. You are also, Anom said, "Oh yeah, oh wow, you got offer from MiHoYo." That's yeah. It's before the Genshin Impact is released. So uh, at the time, I don't know what MiHoYo is. I guess. Uh, I think few weeks or days after they offer me job, the Genshin Impact is released. So it's probably around 2020 or something. I don't know. I still at least trying to be a little bit independent, I guess. Because I also working on my own game with my friends. I They probably try to get you join for Genshin. Yeah, yeah, probably for the DLC or something. Uh, I think the Genshin is almost ready at the time, just for the DLC content, I guess. I mean, it's not DLC, right? For Genshin, for the updates, I guess. Uh, because free to play is. I don't play Genshin. Uh, Only tested it a bit. I don't know how the monetization works, I guess. I don't. Anam said I didn't play it either, but character design are nice. Yeah, the rendering is kind of amazing. The style and everything. Yeah. It's inspired. It looks like it's inspired a lot from Breath of the Wild. I actually want to uh my own game hopefully have a similar style, I guess, like them. But I don't know. I'm still testing the lighting and everything. It will be take a while, I guess, to show to the public. Uh, Hopefully this doesn't look weird. Anam said that's the plan for your game, right? Something like that style. Yeah. Yeah. Like I think it's not that anime, I guess. I mean, if you take a look at the Genshin Impact character, I guess it has a mostly flat shading, uh, but it uses some kind of ramp. Yes, I think my style, at least that's what I'm trying now. It's something like this. So the character will be having the actual 3D shading, but it's mixed up with the what is it, the photorealistic elements like outline and everything, I guess. Probably it's more like Overwatch, but it's not that complex, I guess. We are still a small team, so we don't really have a budget to do a complex character. So hopefully it will be in the style of Overwatch or Team Fortress, if you know that game, the Valve one. Anam said, I see that's definitely different from the flat style like anime games like Genshin. Yeah, the character will still be an anime, I guess, but I'm trying to make it in the style of Overwatch. Just let's see how it does. I guess I'm still. Actually, I already tried few times, at least the shader, but I haven't tried to the enemy character. Hopefully, it will works out. Uh, Libyan players department said how much time did it take to modulate this? It's the 17 part, and on average, the each part is about 3 hours. So Uh, some 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 part is not that long though. So it about what is it? 17 multiplied by 3, maybe 2.5. Wait, I will open calculator. So it's 17. Oh, okay, 51 hours multiplied by 3. Yeah, but it some of the parts is not 3 hours, so probably about 40 to 45, I guess, hours. So far, yeah. Anom said so far. Yeah. Uh, it's really slow progress, I guess. Uh, I'm trying to keep improving my workflow. Hopefully, I can do it faster. Animate Animation Studio dari Indonesia. Yes, I think I will use English for this stream. So yeah, yeah, I'm from Indonesia. Someone asked in Indonesian. Yeah, I will try to use English, I guess, to improve my English skill. Anom said super fast. For I don't know, for a figure model, is it fast to work for 50 hours? At least it's still not done yet. So Anam said seems fast to me. Yeah, yeah. Probably if I saw some kind of time lapse, it looks very fast to do something in ZBrush, I guess. Animate said thank you for the answer. You're welcome. Okay. Hopefully the hair doesn't look weird. Uh, it does a little bit weird to me. I'll try to push this one a little bit further to the front. Uh, yeah, because I'm not using the exact reference, I guess. I usually keep trying which of the shape is the better one, the better looking, I guess. Okay. Anam said looks nice to me. Thank you. I think the sometimes the problem is kind of subtle. So I mean, it looks nice at the hindsight. I mean, it looks nice at first, but if you take a look at some parts, it will break down, I guess. So I think some of the strands here need to be a little bit to the right because wait. Okay, yeah, probably something like this. Can I ask your Libyan said? Can I ask about your PC specs? I'm using a laptop. It's using Core i7 11th gen, and the GPU is RTX. What is it? 3060. It's kind of a mid-range laptop, I guess. Is it good for render? Said Libyan. Asked Libyan. I think if you're wait, I think if your scene is not that complex, it will be fine, I guess. The limitation of using 3060 is it's only has 6 gigabytes of VRAM. So if your scene is using a lot of textures or vertices, I guess sometimes it can be really slow if the VRAM is filled up or something like that. So since I usually only model this character or something, it's still enough, I guess, for me. Uh, yeah. I have the same Libyan said I have the same laptop, but my GPU is 3050. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's probably fine. Uh, it's only 4 gigs then. It's doing great so far. Yeah, it it's my GPU is only 1 tier, I guess. I actually bought this laptop second-handed, so the price is kind of the same with the laptop with 3050, so it's kind of good deal, I guess. Anam said, meanwhile, I'm still with my prototype PC with 1080. That's 8 years old. The 1080 is not 8 years old, I guess. It's 2016, right? So 6 years. It's 6 years. And the performance of 1080 is about the same with my GPU, 3060. I at least that's what I know. That's what I learned. Yeah, 1080 is still very fast, I guess, in 2022. Yeah, 1080 is the flagship of Nvidia from 2016. Debian said, yeah, it's like the mobile version of 3060. Yeah, it's about the same. Maybe the disadvantage is you can't use optics if you are using Cyclus on Blender. If you're using 1080, but if you are only using Eevee or other software, I guess it's fine. It also has 8 gigs of RAM, so VRAM, so you can do more complex scene than me, I guess. Anam said, interesting, never thought about that. Yeah, 1080 is very popular back then. Anam said, guess I won't switch PC for longer than. Yeah, I think it's still probably still very it's still enough for another 2 or 3 years, I guess. At Greece here. Uh, Libyan said in near future you wouldn't need to, yeah, you wouldn't need to switch. Probably you meant. Okay, it looks a little bit better now. After I move the range a little bit to the front. Alfer Melo said, boy, excellent day job. I start this series video be learning about model 3D. Uh, thank you. Thank you, Alfer Melo. Hefri said, is the black shadow on the hair is from the shader. You mean what? This one? Yeah, it's from the shader. From the my add-on YouTube Paint. Yeah, hopefully my game will also use this kind of tricks, the outline shader and everything, to make it look nice, I guess. Yeah, Libian said, yeah, I'm new too. I hope I can do something like Lucu Pumar in the future. Okay, thank you. I'm still has a lot of thing to learn, I guess. Uh, and I'm set wish you the best on that, but yeah, thank you. I actually started working on game development few years back, but uh, maybe only this time I'm actually has the time to do it, I guess. Several years back is I'm kind of busy with other project and everything. So hopefully I can finally actually create my own game, I guess. With my friends. Anom said so. If you finish Marine, will be no more stream. I think at least I will try to do a basic of YouTube and stream. Uh, I think people uh, people keep asking about the tutorial of YouTube Paint. I think I will just do a stream about basic of YouTube Paint, and after that, I don't know. I'm still not thinking about that. I probably still do streaming. Probably another project or something. Let's just see. I also want to try sculpting using Blender, I guess, in the stream. So few people are already and I don't know, few people is kind of helping me, I guess, in the previous parts about sculpting. So probably by doing streaming, I can get the help from more experienced people, I guess. Anom said, cool, I need my daily dose of YouTuber stream. I think my stream is not that, I don't know. There is not that many people, I guess, seeing my stream. I don't know if the quality is good or not. Yeah, maybe it's because I keep unlisted the videos. Yeah, I'm not really sure. At least for this Mary Hoso Marine stream, I will keep unlist my stream. I don't know about the future. Probably I will keep. At least the basic will be available for public, I guess, because it will be more useful that way. And I'm said only the true culture can appreciate your videos. Yeah, probably. Sure. Yeah. This one is has I don't know, a different kind of shadow, I guess. So I will put it back to the front. Okay, probably something like this. Dark Mallet said, "Man and woman of culture, where are you? Yeah, where are you, man and woman of culture? Maybe you can search for for it somewhere for them, I guess." I'm adding a new, what is it? Look, okay, it has a weird flow. At least I will make it a little bit smoother. Piercing said, "How about tutorials?" Yeah, I will try to do a basic of YouTube Paint stream after this project is finished, the Submarine one. It's not a tutorial though. It will be some kind of this form of streaming because I don't know, creating a single tutorial is, I don't know, it's kind of hard, I guess. When it's stream, I don't know, it will take the pressure, I guess, a little bit lower because what is it? The if you mess up, it's kind of understandable if you are in the stream. Anam said, you could promote your Discord server with the stream feeds on AskStation when you release Marine there. Oh, okay. Uh, yeah, probably. Thank you. Thank you for the suggestion. I think the what is it? The actually the Discord server is originally mostly about the add-on first, but I don't know. Some of you said you are interested in my workflow first, I guess. So I also haven't getting used to create a tutorial yet. So it's become my announcement Discord, I guess, for my stream. At least currently. I don't know about the future. Yeah. I think hopefully after the basic of YouTube and stream, maybe people will actually kind of having really discussion about YouTube pen or something. Uh, Piercing said, "Nice. I wanna take it to Chinese." Oh, I see. Oh, oh yeah. You are from Chinese. I see. Uh, yeah. About the Discord is kind of all over the place, I guess. Currently. I just see how it does, I guess. Okay, I think this is looking fine. I will need to create another quiz here to make it a little bit more natural, I guess. Piercing said, yeah, I'm not really sure why, but I think there are a lot of Chinese, I guess, in the, I don't know, in my following, I guess. So if I take a look at my follower in ArtStation, it's a lot of from the Chinese. I thought at first I thought the ArtStation is not available on Chinese, but there. It's probably because the parent company is Epic, and Epic is owned by Tencent, I guess. Anum said anime anime style works are getting more and more love, so not surprised. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably something like this to make it. I don't know which one. Are you guys piercing? Are you guys having? Uh, can you access ArtStation from Chinese? From China? Are you from China or Taiwan? Piercing like a or Hong Kong maybe? Are you from the mainland or are you from the mainland China or Taiwan or Hong Kong? Oh, the China. I see. You can so you can access a station there. Oh, interesting. Usually the western side is not available in China, right? So how can you access this YouTube then? I thought it's blocked in China. Anam said because I have seen a lot of Chinese artists on ArtStation lately. Yeah, piercing said VPN. So VPN is popular there in China. I see. Yeah, it's probably really popular. Uh, so I what is it? Uh, wait. I'm looking for the ArtStation profile. Wait. Anam said I respect those who takes VPN to learn major respect. I learn a lot from it. Said piercing. Yeah, I can learn anyway. Spend any day and night. Uh, I think is it from China, right? This one, his profile. If you can see, the result is kind of amazing. What is it? The YCFG, YCFCG. Oh, he's following me, or they. I mean they. I see. I didn't realize that. Uh, yeah, the result is kind of amazing. I don't know. I used to, I already follow this account for a long time, and yeah. Is it the result from the students, right? So the result from students is uploaded here. Okay, I will move it back. Oh, it's a school. Is it school or online course? Chris said, OMG, I love your sculpts. I'm looking forward to seeing you do marine. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, actually, I have, I think I plan to create a marine for few years, I mean, few months back, I guess. Uh, but not this one, not this standing post. I do the standing post because it's easier to stream, I guess. Not that complex. Piercing said online and offline brother. Brother. You mean brother, probably. Uh, yeah. Oh, I see, I see. ECCFG. ECCFGG. CG. Yeah, I think that's one of the best, I don't know, result that I saw, I guess, in stylized character. Dark Malice said, wow, so some amazing artworks. Thank you. So you don't have to use VPN to access ArtStation, I guess. That's right. Piercing. Is it not blocked in your mainland China, the ArtStation site? Because I see a lot of Chinese there. I assume it's not blocked. I mean, you don't need to use VPN to access ArtStation, right? No, you still need to. Yeah, Uh, oh, I see. So you still need to use VPN for ArtStation. I thought you can use ArtStation because it owns by Epic Games. I see. That's interesting. So maybe so I have like I don't know 20K or 20K about I guess in ArtStation followers. And probably half of them are Chinese. Yeah, probably. Yeah, half of them are Chinese. I don't know. That's kind of interesting, I guess. So half of them use VPN. Said Anom. Yeah. Uh, yeah, probably. I don't know. I, I'm not. I always thought the Chinese is. I mean, the internet is kind of different, I guess. So seeing a lot of Chinese there is. I don't know. I just assume they don't need to use VPN to access our station. Let me send you a message. Where piercing. Anom said that's pretty smart marketing from that school, if you ask me. Yeah, probably. I rarely access. I'm sorry, I rarely access a station DM, I guess, because it's usually just offer or something. So I keep forgetting to answer them. I'm sorry. A few months back, I usually get some kind of NFT offers or something, NFT project, but I'm kind of against NFT, I guess. So I don't take. I actually don't take any. I don't open any commission, so it doesn't matter if it's NFT or not. My name is Piercing like in ArtStation. I see. Yeah, Anam said, yeah, I got asked for some NFT too lately. Yeah, uh, I haven't got one again. I guess in a while. Probably the last time is 2 months ago or something. I think the NFT is kind of crash, right? No one really use it anymore. I mean, there is some people still trading NFT, but not that many, I guess. Not a fan of NFT, being real honest, said Anom. Yeah, me too. I'm also kind of not a fan of crypto in general. So yeah, it's kind of waste of power, I guess, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. Uh, I think you can do a lot of things with that power, but it's kind of waste away for pointless calculation, I guess. Uh, Piercing said I had NFT. Uh, okay, I wanna ask you, Piercing, is it NFT actually a thing in China? Or, oh, I think it's all block, right? All crypto in China. And Piercing said LOL. It's against the law now. I see. Anam said NFT is all over the world now, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Yeah, it's at default the crypto is anonymous, like so. it's actually uh anti-censorship or something. So uh Anam said to Bo that doesn't necessarily mean a good thing. Yeah. I think it's a speculation market, the problem with that. So people keep uh putting putting money in NFT in the hope that they can get something back, I guess. It has no actual value, the NFT itself. So it's all speculation. Probably some NFT has actual value, but most of the popular one is actually rather pointless, I guess. Well, Anam said less NFT in this world, the better. Yeah, yeah, probably, yeah. Uh, just focus on the real things, I guess, guys. NFC is not real. Piercing said actually it's a bit money. It's a bit money against the law. Do you mean Bitcoin? Uh, Piercing said less NFT. Yeah, yeah, less NFT. Yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, weird phenomenon, I guess, to saw about the crypto world. Anom said hopium. Yeah, I think crypto is kind of bounce back, right? The I follow some of the trends. Uh, at least because it affected the GPU price, I guess. So I kind of follow the price of the crypto stuff to make sure the GPU is GPU price is lower, I guess. I used to but I'm actually a bit of fan of the GPU because yeah, I love 3D, so I bought some of the GPU X mining, I guess. It's kind of cheap. So when the price crashed, I guess I started to look at the online store, I guess, for a cheap GPU. So I used to pay it for I don't know, I think $200 for a Vega 64. If you know that GPU, it's kind of yeah. It used to has some kind of 700 price. It's down to 200 in at least in my place. Tristing said sometimes need VPN to GitHub. I don't know why. Yeah, probably it's because you're. I think GitHub is owned by Microsoft, so I don't know. Yeah, it's probably blocked by your country firewall, I guess, by default. So I'm mostly using my laptop to work because it uses less power, I guess. Uh, the current trend in GPU, if you follow the trend like RTX 3080 or something, it's kind of has, I don't know, too much. It needs too much power to run. So a GTX 3080 needed about 30, the 320 watts to run only the GPU. So I don't know. It's kind of waste of power, I guess, to just create this kind of thing. So I used to now I mostly use a laptop to do my work. Especially the new one, the 3090, it's actually 40, I mean 450 watts of power. And said save that electricity bill. Yeah, since I using laptop, the electricity bill is actually kind of lot lower. I think about 50% or something. So it's kind of nice. Uh, the I think the newer one, the 40, what is it, 4080, 4090, it's about 450 watts again, the GPU only. So, and the rumor said that it's actually will be have a special edition that will have just for one GPU, it will use about 800 of watts. That's kind of crazy, right? For just one GPU. I think I used to have a computer that has only 300 or something watts of PSU. So now, I think after this generation, you will get for 400. I mean 800 watts of GPU only. That's kind of, especially because the climate change and everything. That's kind of scary trend for a PC. I don't know what kind of NVIDIA thinking, I guess. NVIDIA used to create a power efficient GPU, but currently it's, I don't know. They don't want to lose to AMD, so they keep adding more power to their GPU. Yeah. Why don't they focus on the more efficient stuff, I guess? That's kind of shame. I think the last, making 3D artists go bankrupt from the electricity bill, said Anom. Yeah, sure. Yeah, especially, I think, uh, I think the electricity cost will be rise up, I guess, because since the Earth getting warmer, it getting harder to control the generator, I guess, something like that. So probably the electricity bill will be rise up a bit. Uh, Piercing said it lets me thinking GPS GPU sprites. What do you mean? What is GPU sprites? What is that? So is it visible from the? Okay, as you can see now, I'm working on the hair. What is the hair knot or something? Yeah, I think the last time Nvidia actually releasing the really power efficient GPU, I think it's the 1080 Higher Buns. Yeah, it's Higher Buns looking nice. I know. Thank you. It's called Higher Buns. So I think the last time Nvidia releasing a really power efficient GPU is 1080, the one that you use. I know. It only use what 180 of power or something, and it's really fast. It's still really fast even today. Yeah, I hope Nvidia can go back to that route again. So Anom said, "Ayo, poke. I'm saving electricity bill." Yeah, you are saving your electricity bill. Yeah, after that is usually the flagship Nvidia GPU is more than what is it? 200 watts, and it keep getting more and more each generation. So I follow this kind of thing, I guess, because I don't know. Since I love 3D programming and 3D stuff, so I follow 3D a lot uh, in hardware side or software side. Is it already Blender today now? Size to so okay, it's still not. So Blender today is not live yet. Anam said the more you know. Yeah, yeah, it's kind of okay. I think I will also create some kind of what is it strands here to make it a little bit more convincing. So it will looks. I think I will just extrude from here. So I will create some kind of strands here. Because it will be kind of visible from the turntable later. I need to make sure this part is looking natural, I guess, looking nice. I think after this, the China is actually also developing their own GPU, I guess. So at least in China, you will have more option other than NVIDIA and AMD. Oh, oh yeah, also NVIDIA is also releasing their own GPU after this. It's already have been released, but it's still only a limited release, so not that many market has access to it. The Intel. It's still slower than AMD and NVIDIA though, but they said they will price it a little bit lower, so it will be more competitive. So maybe if you want to buy a new GPU, you can also look up for Intel, I guess. The Cyclus bit still. better on NVIDIA though because it uses optics. Anom said, yeah, NVIDIA making it too expensive to afford. Yeah, the flagship NVIDIA is currently on $2,000. It's kind of crazy to think about that, I guess. $2,000 for a single GPU, and it uses 450 watts of power. Yeah, NVIDIA should uh, get their acts together, I guess, to make the GPU efficient again. Currently, the more efficient GPU is actually AMD. If you follow the trends, it used to be NVIDIA, but currently it's AMD. It uses less power for the same performance, at least in gaming. On rendering using optics or cycles is still faster on NVIDIA, I guess. Piercing said just bought iPad. You can run a Blender in iPad, unfortunately. So yeah, I, iPad is actually really, what is it? Really bad. Has a bad track record for with the open source software. So I don't know. It's not open source software friendly, I guess. Even though the performance is actually really good. Piercing said no NVIDIA RTX 30XX. Yeah, I'm using 3060 though, so I'm still a NVIDIA customer, I guess. Uh, Anam said at least you can play gacha games on that. Anam said it mean the iPad. Uh, yeah, sure, you can play Genshin Impact there. You can also use Retopo Flow, the one app that Pablo created, but still no Blender. It's a shame. I think even though the new iPad is actually using the same chip, the M1, used by what MacBook Pro and MacBook, and it can run Blender flawlessly, I guess. But Apple decided to uh, not allow you to run macOS, I guess, macOS application in iPad. So Anom said, Piercing said, I use it to watch videos. Yeah, write and paint ideas. Yeah, getcha games. Yeah, it's still for I don't know, not series productivity, I guess. Device. If Blender actually can run in iPad, it will be really amazing. Yeah, because it's has the really nice form factor and everything. Anon said Apple make iPad run ZBrush Maya Blender when really. iPad can run ZBrush since when? And Maya? I never know about that. I thought it's only what gacha games or something. Is it ZBrush? Let me search for ZBrush iPad. ZBrush iPad. Oh, I see. Oh, that's your joke. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's that's the joke. I guess. Yeah. I think yeah. Apple should at least they kind of uh make sure the Blender works fine on their M1 Mac, but they they don't want to port it, I guess, to the iPad, even though it has a lot of power. At least the same power as the M1 Mac. Yeah, the Anom set would be nice though. Yeah, I'm actually kind of hoping for that for a long time. Apple would do something for porting iPad. I mean, porting Blender or some application to iPad, but I don't know. They're still targeting iPad for casual user, I guess. Yeah, I think this is looking fine. Oh, you can see. I think I will create another at least one again here. Which Anom said, but I do like their painting app. It's very good from what I remember. Yeah, sure. It has the ultimate, I guess, form factor for painting. Maybe not ultimate, but it's it's ultimate form factor for most people, I guess, for painting, 2D painting. Yeah, it also has the one of the best what pen system compared to other tablet. So I actually use the Xiaomi one tablet, and the pen is kind of has kind of jittery, so you can't really paint the smooth lines using the pen. Yeah, uh, that problem is not a thing, I guess, in the iPad. Yeah, Xiaomi. Yeah, Xiaomi. I have a Xiaomi tablet that has a pen on it. A cheap. I mean, it's relatively cheap compared to the iPad. The iPad is really expensive here. Xiaomi, yeah, the Xiaomi one. I bought it because it's cheap. Then sometimes I need to get something uh, for a meeting or something. So sometimes I need a tablet to sketch. iPad is expensive everywhere, said Anom. Yeah, the cheapest one is actually not that expensive, right? The what is it? The standard iPad, the one without Pro. It's also currently now it's also can use what the pen. It's not only for the Pro one, the pen system. Okay, it looks hopefully it doesn't look weird from this side. Okay, so if we look at this angle, it still looks nice, the hair and everything. Okay. Oh, I think I need to. Is the what is it? The Blender today is on. So Blender today is live now. Uh, I usually watch that. How long have been I've been live in 2 hours. I think uh iPad is Anom said iPad is expensive everywhere, and Piercing said especially it's 256 G or 256 gigabyte one. Yeah, yeah. My friend is bought the iPad, the 64, 64 gigs, and I don't know. They still make 64 gigs of iPad. It's kind of I, I think Apple is really like to charge its customer for the more space, I guess. Uh, it's a shame that more company actually follow that trends. The Google and Samsung is also charged a lot for the larger storage because Apple started first, I guess. Okay, now I think the wait. How about from this one? Hmm. Anum said gotta get more money. Gotta get more money. Yeah, sure. I think you if you haven't bought an iPad or something, I think you need to wait for Blender to come to iPad. So it will be worth it, I guess. Uh, hopefully, I think if the Blender will use Vulkan for this the API, I think it will be become more possible to at least port it first on the Android. After that, usually Apple don't want to leave behind, so it will be also ported to iPad, something like that, probably. At least, if Blender changes the graphics API to Vulkan. Dark Malice said, "You got to work hard for the money." Anam said, "Yeah, I can wait. I'm in no rush. My and I'm said my 1080 potato PC can carry me. It's not a potato PC. 1080 is still really fast, you know. Uh, I think you can't really say that if you only use Intel integrated graphics, I guess. Uh, I think I see some people here is actually using Blender, even though they only use integrated graphics, and some of them actually create some amazing artwork from it, I guess. Yeah. And I'm set entitled 3D artist, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, you need to what is it? I didn't remember the term. Uh, my English is still need more works, I guess. I keep confused to create a sentence. Piercing said 1060s can still fight Morse. Yeah, 3060. Yeah, I think I don't use 3060, but I use the competitor one, the 480, if you know. 480 RX 480 from AMD. It's about the same performance as 3060. I used that GPU for 3 years or something. I used that GPU when I'm started to working on the YouTube Paint. So yeah, I think this part is also need some work. So hmm, I want to copy this part to the other side. I think let's just do that, right? Okay. And I'm set. Then that's a throwback. Yeah. The 3060 is about the half of your GPU performance along the 1080. So, oh, I mean, the one sentence that I want to tell you before is gratitude. You need more gratitude, I guess. You need to be more grateful for your GPU, I guess, because some of people still using 3060 and it's half of your performance, okay? I want to watch Blender today, but I don't know. I want to at least fix this hair first. Maybe I can watch the record, I guess. Yeah, Anom said, yeah, now that you guys told me how good it is, I need to be more grateful now. Yeah, it's really still a lot of powerful than I don't know, a lot of people, I guess. So the normal is kind of flip because I mirror this. So Let's flip that. Okay, this one actually need more of the theme. Please. So you are using the 3080 from your days on EA. Uh, is it the computer that you use for the work that you did on EA or something? I know. And I'm said I was using one 1080 back when from EA. Yeah. So you are on EA on what 2016. So Pirsting said as EA. So Anam is used to work on EA. EA Sports. It's in the game. Anam said I'm not proud of it. But EA is big name. At least you can brag. I used to work on EA, something like that. You don't have to tell how your works, what you actually did in there. I guess. EA. Piercing said EA company or East Africa. It's East Africa. No, no. It's EA the company, right? I know. I know. Set entitled 3D artist. By the way, no, no. It's fine. And I'm set is yeah. It's the East Africa. Yeah, East Africa spots. Yeah. I You're working on FIFA or NBA? I know. It was FIFA. I see. I used to play a lot of FIFA back then when I was a kid. Uh, when it's on the PS1, the FIFA that's on the PS1. Also in the PC, I guess. Battlefield. Piercing said Battlefield. Anam said I never play FIFA, but I heard a lot of friends around me playing it. Yeah, it's probably rare if you're from what USA because soccer is, I mean, football is not that popular, right, in USA. So probably not much. You're from USA, right? Anam? USNA, the glorious country of USNA. Nah, I'm from Canada. Okay, I know. Said I'm Yeah, it's probably still not that popular, right? The football. Canada. Yeah. Justin Trudeau, the country that has Justin Trudeau on it. Uh, Anam said, yeah, not that popular. Canada is all about hockey after all. They kill each other over hockey match. Yeah, on this country is the football is more popular. Yeah, and sometimes people also kill each other, I guess, for their favorite football team. Yeah, it's kind of insane when you like your things too much, I guess. Okay, hopefully it will looks okay. I need to lower this a little bit. Anam said, yeah, I'm born Korean but Canadian citizen, so I could never really get into whole hockey thing. Yeah. How about K-pop? Are you into K-pop? Are you into BTS Army? Uh, I kind of follow K-pop a little bit. So it's Anam said, yeah, I listen to K-pop. LOL, no, I'm not BTS Army. So you are more like a N citizen. I'm more of a old K-pop fan like Big Bang. Yeah, I'm also a big fan of Big Bang. Uh, the song is kind of amazing. Uh, I a bit kind of late to follow Big Bang, so I heard Big Bang song in 2017 or something, but it's kind of blew me away, I guess. Their song, yeah. The fan base is called VIP, right? Yeah, I think it's VIP. Let's see, Big Bang, the fandom name. Yeah, VIP. Yeah, I'm also a VIP, I guess. Now, Big Bang is never released. I think they released the last one, the what is called the one that released in March or something. Uh, Still Life, yeah, the Still Life. So I think Big Bang, since the one of the member is involved in kind of scandal, right? The Seungri Burning Sun scandal. So they don't release anything, I guess, until the Still Life few months ago. So now the producer is kind of move out to Blackpink. So Big Bang and Blackpink has the same. At least most of the song is has the same producer, the Teddy Park. Yeah, I think that's one of the. That's why Blackpink is also really popular worldwide. The Seungri scandal. Yeah, Anam said, yeah, his club scandal. Yeah. One of the Big Bang member is involved in the what is it? Prostitution scandal or something. So uh, that one member is leave the band now. It used to have 5 member. Now it only has 4. Yeah, because of that scandal, the band is kind of on hiatus. I mean, yeah. Probably someone heard this and don't know what we are talking about. It's the Big Bang thing, the K-pop. So if you like, any one of you like song from Blackpink, I think you will also like Big Bang. I think even the Big Bang is actually has more variation, I guess, than the Blackpink. I don't know why when I heard, I really like Blackpink also, but I don't know. The sometimes the arrangement is kind of similar. At I'm not that knowledgeable, I guess, to music, but I don't know. The Big Bang, I mean the Blackpink song is a little bit has a similar arrangement, I guess, structure. So for some people, said the Blackpink is kind of have the same song over and over again. Anam said as repetitive. It's not repetitive, but it has some kind of predictable structure, I guess, something like that. That's the critic, I guess, from some people. Uh, Minzela said, "Do you do any rigging outside of posing?" Yeah, I do rigging. I mean, do you? I mean, did I use rigging other than posing? Yeah, I do some kind of rigging on my game work. So, uh, for this kind of thing, I usually just use it for posing. Anam said, "Yeah, I can see that." Anam said, I can see what you mean." Yeah, some people said that thing, I guess. I'm not expert in music, but yeah, that's what people said, I guess, not my opinion. I'm sorry for any of you Blackpink fans out there. I still love Blackpink music, I guess. So maybe I never bought an album yet, but I mean the Blackpink album yet, but I used to subscribe to Spotify because of Blackpink, I guess. So, Minzela said, "Do you mind if I ask question about it? What is it?" Anam said, "It's the Big Bang K-pop music style." Yeah, I know about. I learned about Blackpink first, then Big Bang. So yeah, I've kindled it in K-pop world, I guess. So I heard the Twice and the Blackpink things first rather than the old K-pop. Uh, Piercing said comeback. You mean Blackpink comeback? Minzela said, ask, are there any bonds you restrict specific rotation to? I'm using Rigify, so I don't know. I just use the one that Rigify that, so I don't tweak restriction bonds. I guess I just use what Rigify gives me. Dark Mali said with atomic weight. What do you mean? What is atomic weight? I'm sorry. I think the left one is a little bit too big, so I will. Okay, okay, maybe. Dark Mali said automatic weight. Yeah. Uh, yeah. I used to. I only use Rigify and not only automatic weight, but automatic weight is a good starting point to weight pen your model, I guess. Piercing light as person. No, it's automatic weight, I guess. Uh, Minzela said, yeah, I manually weight paint my rigs. I don't like automatic weight painting. It does a pretty subpar job for more advanced poses. I think automatic weight is a good starting point to start your weight paint rather than manually add them one by one. It's kind of cumbersome, I guess, to do. You will start with the automatic weight and start edit what is it? Tweaking the weight pen one by one. Ninjala said, yeah, I like to use it so there is a bit of paint on my rig. Then I just refine it a ton. Yeah. I think no one actually weight paint manually a character, right? It's always started with the automatic weight. I think the automatic weight feature is already in it's already in Blender since a long time. So Most people are already getting used to it. Uh, Piercing said, Minzela said, yeah, I imagine more often than not people will start with autophagia. Piercing said, so we can see, so we can see the you, the key you press. I decided to not show that because I use custom key map, so I don't want to mislead some people about the key that I press because it won't be working for them. So I use custom key map because I use the 65% keyboard. So it has no numpad and no, yeah, it's mostly has no numpad. So because Blender use numpad a lot, I remap to another keys, I guess. So if I press that and people saw that I pressed that, they thought it's the actual map, but it's not. Uh, Pasting said, okay, I got it. Minzel said, I'm just struggling with getting hands behind the head post right now for my character, trying to see if I can solve without save case. I'm not really that's kind of too specific, I guess. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. Minzela said, oh, that's thoughtful, lol. No, it's probably because I'm too lazy, I guess. Uh, I actually forget that at first, and people remind that about the key I press, and then I remember that I use custom key map, and I decided to not show my key press. I think people mostly, if you can see, I don't think I use that many special shortcut in my workflow, except probably for the image uh, loader, because it's built in on the the add-on itself. Anom said Lucu Pumar custom hotkeys really soon. It's I only move when I actually only started using 60% keyboard since 1 year ago or something. Probably more than 1 year. Before that, I actually used the default one for Blender. I usually uh, don't don't want to change anything in Blender because when I change my workstation, I don't get confused or something. Uh, I changed my keyboard to 64%. I mean 65% is because uh, it's more ergonomics, I guess, for using with the Wacom, the tablet. I used to have the full keyboard, but my hand is kind of reaching out too much, and I get it kind of get hurts uh, in a while. Piercing set my battery out of power. Maybe you need to recharge. Minzela said, "Lol, LOL. You need custom email translator." Yeah, it's kind of too much, I guess. Okay, I think this is already looking really nice, probably. How long that I've been live for 2 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, I will hopefully. I think okay, 25 minutes again. More I guess for this live. Uh, yeah. So I don't watch Blender today. It's a sin, I guess, because I usually watch that 2 hours 30 minutes. Yeah, it's 2 hours 36 minutes here. Piercing set unit arrest. Yeah, after this, uh, it's a night here. So after I usually sleep after the stream. Yeah, if you never watch, I think you never watch my previous stream, right? It's an average 3 hours. So yeah, I think it's nice to make it consistent, I guess, to make it more predictable about the runtime of the stream. Yeah, we are talking about a lot of things today, I guess. Hopefully, the actual content is not that boring. It's just mostly me moving around practices, I guess, and talking random things. Uh, Piercing said, "See you tomorrow." Okay, see you later. See you, Pierce. See you again. I need to connect this to this. Uh, Piercing. Okay, piercing. Said the goodbye in the chat. Okay, bye. See you again. Piercing. Have a nice. In China, it will be night, right? Have a nice night or something. Oh, just a little bit more. Anom said, yeah, I assume it's nighttime in Asia right now. Yeah, it's about 11 p.m. now in Indonesia, at least. China is about what on the west than Indonesia, so it will be still a night, but probably still 10 or 9 p.m. Okay, I think we need to create this flow. Hmm, wait. Yeah, this part is a little bit tricky, I guess, because hmm, I think let's just make it look like this, I guess. Hopefully, it will be also nice. Anom said make a copy. Yeah, a copy of this here. You mean that, right? The hair is because the flow of the this one is kind of the hair is kind of drop down, but this one is kind of more freeform, I guess. So I don't know if it will look good or not. Let's just. I usually just try to model it this way and uh, tweak that from that shape, I guess. So I will try to mimic this first and keep tweaking, I guess, to make it a little bit more uh, natural. Uh, how about different reference, I guess? Let's just see. Because so she's kind of looking back. I mean, the motion is kind of she's move their or rotating their head. So Anam said true. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, there are two different reference. Yeah, yeah, it's kind of tricky, I guess. Yeah, to use lot of reference, I guess. But that's still a challenge. So we can still pick up the challenge again. It's more fun. This one has more flows here. Uh, should I follow this? Yeah, maybe partly I will follow this one. It has more flows, I guess. Anam said, whatever path you take is always right, so don't let me stop you. Haha. No, I'm not. I always confused with this kind of thing sometimes. So, when you are combining these two different reference, sometimes it doesn't work, I guess. Uh, when when we are get maybe it's a little bit lucky, right? This project because I used to combine two reference, and it's really not. Uh, it's really hard to combine two. I mean, the two reference that I use is kind of not meant to be combined, something like that. So the result is really bad. So I used to so I used to test first the post that I saw on the reference and look at this if this one is actually possible or is it look good in 3D. So uh, sometimes the result is really bad, I guess, really bad. Uh, so I changed the concept and redo the concept from scratch, I guess, something like that. I'm sorry if that's a little bit convoluted or confusing. Anam said, yeah, finding the middle point of bunch of reference is always a challenge. Yeah, something like that. Uh, I think I will rotate this uh, because it would look nicer, I guess. So I used to make it the line rotate so it will look more flowy or something. Gesil said, when more referral schools? Mm, I don't know. Uh, do you want probably if the result will be a speed scout or something, it's possible, I guess. But for a full character like this, it's probably I don't know. Referral school is kind of old school, I guess. I'm sorry. Uh, so probably the reference is not up to par with the current illustration, I guess. I mean, nah, I do all the, Anom said, nah, I do it all the time too. So yeah, I understand what you mean. Uh, Anam said, ask YouTuber school soon. Yeah, this is my school. So you are the Titan, I guess. No, I'm just kidding. I think my workflow is not that. I think some of uh yeah, it's not that common. I guess the use polygon modeling for everything. So it's probably not a good course, maybe. So you probably this kind of technique is probably not possible for a realistic character, I guess. Since I only use stylized character, only create stylized character, that's why it's still possible in this. So when you're creating a realistic character, it's probably better be a sculpting because it has more control for the detail and everything. Because realistic character has more detail. So yeah. So this kind of technique is not for everyone. Yeah. Okay, about the rival school character. So yeah, probably I will try to stream. Probably more fun, more simpler project, I guess. That will be what bus only, probably like the boom. So my profile picture is actually Bowman, character called Bowman from Rival School. So probably I will try to create some kind of that again. To exercise my sculpting skill, I guess. Since it's been a while since the last time I sculpt. Yeah, probably I will also stream that. And yeah, hopefully some of you with the good uh sculpt knowledge can help me. Yeah. Hopefully the speed sculpt one it will be it will be uh finished model in one stream, I guess, hopefully, if that's possible. But it will be much much simpler, I guess. Uh, if the result is good, I will make it public. But if the result bad, it will be unlisted again, I guess. Uh, Agni said hello. Welcome back. Yeah, you're back. Anam said hi, Agni. Okay. Gesil said your bowman is what motivated me to 3D it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I think that's that kind of project is kind of fun to do, I guess. So a few hours to create a single project. I mean, a finished project in the single sitting, something like that. I think that's really fine. Rather than this one, which is already has 17 parts and quite a lot of rambling in between of it. Yeah, I think I will exercise. Yeah, probably I will do that after this project is finished. Hopefully. Yeah, I uh, can try more simpler character, I guess. So you are already Gazelle, are you already using Blender since what, 2015? Because my woman video is actually from 2015 or something, or 16. I don't remember. I think 15. Yeah. Are you already used Blender since then, or are you only saw the sculpt recently, Gazelle? Okay, I keep asking something to my chat. I'm sorry if you don't want to write much, I guess. To involve too much. I mean, so rather than I don't know. I sometimes I don't know what to talk about. So I just keep asking you guys for a content. Actually, I'm in the 30s, so was long time ago. Yeah, same actually. I'm actually also in the 30s. Yeah, time flies. Time flies when you are using Blender. So I will stop using Blender after this stream, and I will use it again tomorrow. Sorry, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. So, are you still doing sculpting, Gazelle, or are you stopped because of something, or are you using ZBrush now? Uh, Gazelle said, "Actually, I'm trying to make a game." Nice. Uh, what kind of game? I actually use this uh, one instead. I'm sorry, rather than this one. Uh, Gazelle said, "And fighting with Unreal Engine and Blender." So you are creating fighting game. So I used to want. I actually really big fan of fighting game. So I used to want. I used to want a fighting game. I used to want to develop a fighting game, but it's actually more complex than I thought. So I decided to create a simpler game first. Maybe I don't know if I ever create a fighting game, but it actually has lots of things going on if you are creating a fighting game, especially the networking stuff and the balancing. It's kind of at least too hard for my team, I guess. Giselle said the game is about math, so a little loud. Okay, interesting. So is it Steam game? Yeah, it's probably Steam game, right? How much is the progress? I guess. Wait, my cat is okay. My cat is needing something, so don't worry, we are cultured, said Dark Malin. Wait, wait, my cat is kind of messing around. Yeah, we are cultured in figurative sense or actual sense, I guess. How is the progress on your game, Geisel? Geisel said I'm recording the animation. Did you pause the progress anywhere? Uh, Geisel said, but I don't have the correct equipment. Are you using motion capture or something? Guess that's the point I am when I am thinking about buying a suit. Like the what's the name of the streamer that used the suit? I forgot the name. Streamer. uh, Kotmiko. The Kotmiko. Are you trying to create using the suit like Kotmiko or something? Yeah, Kotmiko. Yeah, I saw the stream of Kotmiko and she said I think it's about 15K or something. The price of the suit. It's really expensive, I guess. Maybe before buying that, you just make sure that it will be worth it. Uh, Maybe you can just also you can also if your style is stylish, you can also create the animation frame by frame, I guess, manually. Gesell said, so the point that some suit don't record your actual 3D position, only the rotation of the bones. Yeah, the Kotmiko one is actually really advanced, I guess, because it's recording everything. I think even your location or something. It's the most advanced VTuber, I guess. I don't know. I don't watch Kotmiko that much again. I guess I only watch it on YouTube. Uh, is there any YouTuber like Kotmiko currently? Like Rococo, for example, said Gesell. What is Rococo? It's the name of the suit. Yeah, it's the name of the suit. Or no? The motion capture system. Oh yeah, the suit. When you Gesell said, oh, when you jump only is you in the same place, not C movement. Okay. Uh, I see. I think if that's your, I don't know. I think if that's your first game or something, maybe try a little bit simpler, I guess, solution for that. Wait, I'm kinda. So are you working on the team or are you working alone? Giselle said I think she has different suit. Yeah. Are you working alone or on the team? Giselle said Blender works well for Unreal. Yeah, sure. I mean, Epic Games is actually the sponsor of the Blender Foundation, so it should be working well, I guess. As official add-on, yeah, sure. Hopefully this doesn't look that weird. Hmm. I think I spend a lot of time. I will spend a lot of time cooking this. I don't know. Hopefully not that much. Hopefully this one is. Hmm. This one need more volume, so I think good luck with the project. I guess Rococo. I mean Rococo. Gesell with the Mate fighting game. It sounds like a fun project. I guess hopefully and nice game. Mm. Is it looking weird or not? Uh, I think I forgot that we already passed 3 hours. So tomorrow, okay, we will wrap this up a little bit. Tomorrow we'll be also fixing the hair. Yeah, because it's still not done yet. The hair is always the most, at least for me, it's always the most the longest part to model, I guess. Uh, Fortunately, we only create the short hair here, so I used to spend 3 4 days to only working on the hair for the, especially for the character with the long hair. It's kind of, I don't know. Good stream today again. Get some well deserved rest. Chikmaris, she's looking great. Thank you. Thank you, Ano. Thank you for keep tuning in to my stream, I guess. So I always have something to talk about. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Uh, Also to exercise my English, so my English will be a little bit better, hopefully. Okay. I think this trend just a little bit. Okay, I will end this after this trend. Maybe a little bit tweak. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, okay. This is a little bit bugging me. I'm sorry. Okay. We will continue again tomorrow. Hopefully at the similar time, just like before. So thank you for coming in to this stream. Hopefully we can meet again tomorrow. Okay. Have a good day or night or something. Okay. See you later. Bye.